Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, time to redo the zone for the main stage, the front yard, for, yeah, you guessed it, Lymow One robot mower. Let's go! Lymow. Give me a thumbs up if you're Team Lymow, by the way. Earlier I dealt with a lot of glitches in the software with this robot mower, but since then, a lot of firmware updates, and I moved the pole for the RTK, and it's been working a lot better. So now I'm going to reprogram the zone for this front yard. Alright folks, here I am tracing out the border. That's the first step. Trace out the whole border, complete that, and there you got your zone. On the right bottom corner is the app for visibility, so you can see along with me creating the channels, me tracing out the zone, etc. And I must say so that it is extremely intuitive and very easy to use. I do have one major complaint, however. Look at the bottom right corner on the app screen. Look in the middle top. What does that say? Yeah, that's right. 70% charge. Why does it stop at 70%? The highest I've ever had it go is 75%. I've tried unplugging and resetting the battery, reseating it, putting it back in, plugging it back in. I've had it off and unplugged for 24 hours, put it back together, to no avail, my friends. I've sent multiple requests to customer service, multiple tickets, gotten zero feedback from Lymow team. So that's a huge complaint I do have. It will not go past 70 or 75% charge. And right about now I'm celebrating in joy because I completed the zone successfully. Okay, let's do a channel. Now I'm going to add a channel from the zone back to the charge station. I'm also going to add a channel from this zone for the front yard to the other zone on the side yard. So then at any time the mower can go from one yard to the next, one zone to the next, or just on its own when it's done mowing, it'll go right to the charge station. Alright, folks. Enough is enough. Let's get started. Let's get mowing.
System error. Please check the app for details.
Bloody
then
hell.
try clearing the error to resume mowing.
Whoa, take it easy. Let's get mowing for real this time.
Attention. Lawnmower starting now.
Whoa. Alright, over here, it just finished mowing the entire zone, and on its own, without me doing anything, it completed the mow, and it said, headed to the charge station. And success. Very happy to report success. In the past, when I had a lot of the glitches, this was one of the major ones where it would never successfully go back to that charge station. It would lose connection, or it would slam into the wall of the house, or it would go over the curbing of the landscape, something to that effect, and it would just be stuck out there. As of late, it's just been flawlessly heading back to the charge station. As long as, like I said, you have your zones all put in and your channels all connected with the zones and the charge station.